Hello everyone, welcome back to my Shadows art project. Today we will be making sunset birds, and this is what our project will look like. Super beautiful. And in order to complete this project, you will need paint. You will need purple, red, and yellow. You will need 3 cotton balls, and you will need your template. This is a fun and easy project. You do tend to get messy because we are dealing with paint, but it's very fun and very colorful and creative. So in order to get started, we are going to paint a large yellow circle around the birds. We don't want to paint the bird or the branches yellow. We want to go around it because that is our sunset. So with our cotton ball, we're going to grab the paint and outline the birds and the branches. If you do get paint on the bird, it's totally okay, but we want to try to avoid getting paint on the birds. If it's easier, you can probably grab a paintbrush at first and then do the rest with the cotton balls. This is what I have so far. I did get a little bit of paint on the birds, but it's okay because it's yellow and the paints are black, so you can't really tell. So I want to make a circle. I'm going to add a little bit more. Make a circle. Just like this. Around the birds. And the next thing we're going to do is we're gonna add red, but we're not gonna draw or paint in the circle. We're just gonna kind of dab around, just like this, around the yellow, on the outskirts of the yellow paint. This is supposed to be the sunset and the birds are right in the center. So this is what I have so far. Look at how pretty that is. And the next color we are going to do is purple, and that's gonna pretty much go right above or on the red. I'm gonna grab some purple color. Just start dabbing around the red. Grab some more. Start dabbing. Try to get the rest of the paper, like just small dabs on the outskirts. But this is pretty much it as far as the Sunset Birds project. Super pretty. You can do different colors, but for the most part you want to do red and yellow on the inside. And I don't know, maybe you can do blue on the outer layer, but this is it as far as the Sunset Birds project. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.